Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the function round. So quite common, you will notice that you have a situation where you need to round the numbers up or down, and with the round function it will automatically round the function around the value to the nearest number, to make it very simple, right? So imagine here you have 1.5, we have 1.4, we have 1.6. So you can control the way you round it. Well, you want to just default round it. So normally a default rounding is simple. This will be rounded up, this will be rounded down, and this will be rounded up as well. So let's start with it. We type in here round, open parentheses, and let's click here on the formula builder. So here we have the number, so we can put in the number. So what do we want to round? In this case, we want to round this number. Yes? And then you can select here the number of digits. Do you want it one, like 2 digits, 2 digits, or 1 digit? So in this case, it will maintain same. In our case, it's with no digits at all. Just we want solid numbers. Alright, so click here on done. And once you did that, you see it will round it up to number 2. So let's do the same. You can see this one goes down, and you can even check this by looking at the values. You can see that if we add some some zeros behind there, or some decimals, it just maintains the same. So you don't see any difference because this is the real value and this is the new value based on the formula. And this is how you can use round, because this can be very important for certain situations, such as people or chickens, that you calculate how many chickens are in the factory or in the farm. You don't have 1.5 chickens, so you have to round that up. So if you have any questions regarding to this, just post them in the comment section. And if you like this and you want to get even better with Excel, check out the exciting link in there. We have a very exciting course, and it's an Excel course that goes deep in multiple functions of Excel to improve your skills.